As a homeowner in Kendall, Florida, you know the importance of staying comfortable year-round. The hot, humid summers and mild winters can put a strain on your air conditioning and heating systems, driving up energy bills and making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. One of the most effective ways to enhance comfort and reduce energy costs is by installing energy-efficient windows. While the initial investment may seem significant, the long-term savings and other benefits make it a smart choice for any Kendall homeowner. Here's why installing energy-efficient windows in your home is a wise investment. Lower energy bills. In Kendall's tropical climate, your cooling system works hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, particularly in the summer. Traditional windows, often single-pane glass, allow heat to enter and cool air to escape, forcing your air conditioner to run constantly. As a result, your energy bills can skyrocket. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled spaces between panes. These features reduce heat transfer, keeping the cool air inside and the heat outside. The result is a significant reduction in the energy needed to cool your home. Homeowners in Kendall who install energy-efficient windows often report a 10% to 25% reduction in their energy costs, depending on the size of the home and the number of windows replaced. Increased comfort year-round. Energy-efficient windows not only reduce your energy consumption but also make your home more comfortable. In Kendall, fluctuating temperatures between day and night can make your home feel too hot during the day and chilly at night, especially if your windows are poorly insulated. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can stabilize your home's interior temperature. The multi-layered construction of these windows prevents drafts, cold spots, and overheating, making your home feel more comfortable in every season. Whether you're relaxing indoors during the summer or enjoying a cozy evening during cooler months, energy-efficient windows ensure a more consistent and comfortable living environment year-round. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in Kendall, a vibrant suburb of Miami, means dealing with the usual noises of traffic, neighbors, and even occasional construction. If you find these noises disrupting your peace and quiet at home, energy-efficient windows can help. Many energy-efficient windows come with soundproofing features. The multi-pane glass, combined with insulating materials, helps block out noise from the outside, creating a quieter indoor space. This is particularly valuable for homes near busy roads, airports, or high-traffic areas, where external noise can be a constant nuisance. Whether you're working from home, enjoying a movie, or simply trying to relax, the noise reduction offered by energy-efficient windows can greatly enhance your quality of life. UV protection and preservation of interiors. Kendall's sunny weather, while enjoyable, can cause damage to your furniture, carpets, and artwork over time. Ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun can cause fabrics and colors to fade, leaving your interior looking worn and faded. Additionally, prolonged exposure to UV rays can damage wood floors, upholstery, and art. Energy-efficient windows are designed with coatings that block up to 99% of harmful UV rays. This added layer of protection helps preserve the appearance and longevity of your home's interior. Your furniture, flooring, and other valuable items will remain in better condition, saving you money on replacements and repairs. Increased home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows are a great way to boost your home's resale value. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes with eco-friendly features, and energy-efficient windows are an attractive selling point. A home that's already equipped with these windows can stand out in a competitive market, giving you an edge when it comes time to sell. Beyond increased home value, energy-efficient windows can improve your home's curb appeal. New windows can update the look of your home, giving it a fresh, modern appearance. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your home's aesthetics, installing energy-efficient windows is a smart way to enhance both its exterior and its overall value. Environmental benefits. For environmentally conscious homeowners, installing energy-efficient windows is an excellent way to reduce your carbon footprint. By reducing your home's reliance on heating and cooling systems, you're using less energy and decreasing your overall environmental impact. This is especially important in a place like Kendall, where the demand for air conditioning during the summer months leads to high energy consumption and increased greenhouse gas emissions. Energy-efficient windows help lower your home's energy use, making your household more sustainable and eco-friendly. If you're looking to reduce your impact on the environment while saving money, upgrading your windows is a simple and effective solution. Tax incentives and rebates. Another compelling reason to invest in energy-efficient windows is the potential for tax incentives and rebates. The federal government and local utility companies often offer financial incentives to homeowners who upgrade to energy-efficient products. These rebates and tax credits can help offset the initial installation cost, making the upgrade more affordable. Be sure to check with your local energy provider or tax advisor to see what programs are available in Kendall. Many homeowners find that these incentives help make the investment in energy-efficient windows even more worthwhile. Conclusion. Installing energy-efficient windows in your Kendall home is one of the smartest investments you can make. Not only will it lower your energy bills, but it will also increase comfort, enhance the value of your home, and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The benefits of energy-efficient windows are long-lasting, from improved indoor temperature regulation to noise reduction and UV protection. If you're ready to enjoy all the advantages that energy-efficient windows bring, contact a trusted local window installation company in Kendall today. With the right products and professional installation, you'll be on your way to a more comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly home.